All right, so this is the formula for compound interest, and it's going to tell us how much money we have in our account based on a number of factors. So this formula is your balance. The amount you have in your account is going to be equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. Now this 1 plus R over NP to the NT should look familiar. That is our yearly growth factor. And then what we're going to do with that is we're going to multiply it by our starting amount of money that we're going to put in the account. And that will give us how much we'll have after T number of years. So P is the starting amount, your principal that you're putting into the account. R is your annual interest rate, and you always want to put that in as a decimal. N is still the number of times compounded per year. And T is the number of years. All right, so let's go ahead and give this formula a try. Brenda invests $4,848 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 5% compounded 2 times per year. What will the account balance be after 6 years? So I'm going to start by identifying each one of the pieces that we have here. So my principal P is 4848. R, my interest rate, will be 0.05 for the 5%. It tells me we're doing 2 times per year, so N is 2, and we're looking for the balance after 6 years, so T is 6. I put that in, I get that the balance is equal to 4848, and then in parentheses I get 1 plus 0.05 over 2, close those parentheses, and then it's going to be raised to this exponent that is 2 times 6. So that's our NT there. And if I put this in my calculator, I have 4848 times, I'm going to open a parentheses, 1 plus 0.05 divided by 2, close those parentheses, and I'm going to put the exponent in parentheses. So 2 times 6, and that gives me about $6,520.02. All right, so we have 3 more on here. I would love for you to go ahead and pause that video, give those 3 a try, and see how you do with those. All right, so hopefully you gave those a try and you paused the video to give that a whirl. Here is what I have. So for 15, I have P is 8333, R is 0.08, N is 4, T is 12. So my balance is 8,333 times the quantity 1 plus 0.08 divided by 4, and that's raised to the exponent of 4 times 12. Okay, when I put that in the calculator, I got that my bank account will have $21,558.06 if I wait those 12 years. All right, number 16, my P is 440, R is 0.058, N is 365 for the daily, and then T is equal to 8 for the years. So my balance in my account, I have 440 times the quantity, 1 plus 0.058 divided by 365, and that quantity is going to be raised to the exponent of 365 times 8. Okay, and when I put that in my calculator, it looks like after 8 years, my account is going to have $699.76. And then last but not least, this one's a little bit different. So this one says you borrow $25,000 at 12.25% interest compounded monthly. If you are unable to make any payments that first year, how much money will you owe excluding penalties? Right? So without those penalties, I'm going to owe a balance of whatever 25,000 times the quantity 1 plus 0.1225 divided by 12. That quantity raised to the exponent of 12 times 1. All right, so when I put that in my calculator, the very sad news is that I owe $28,000 now. or actually $28,240.43. So I picked up roughly $3,200 of interest there in that first year. So be thoughtful about paying off loans and credit cards, otherwise it can really snowball quickly. It's kind of the lesson